Welcome. Z.P.Urdu School, Chinchpada. Taluka Navapur.Dist, Nandurbar. Today we learn lesson Who are you? Standard 3rd. Hello, I am a fresh green cabbage. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat cabbages. Oh. Hello, I am juicy crunchy carrot. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat carrots. Oh. Hello, I am green leafy vegetables. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. Oh. Hello, who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. Who are you? I am a super duper clever fox and I eat smart white rabbit. Oh. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.